Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Lauv 26. And yeah, this one is a cool song here. It goes in the same way as I just demonstrated here, mostly in this song. So we have some different techniques in this one, some strumming, some melodies, and that's it. So let's start right away. The capo set on the first fret. We need to go over the chords first. So we have the A sharp. So you need to bar the first fret here from the A string and down. That makes 5 strings. And the rest will be 3rd on D, 3rd on G, and 3rd on B. What I do mostly when I take this chord, I take the 3rd on D, 3rd on G, and with my 3rd on G finger here, my little pinky, I bar the next string there as well. So I just incorporate these 2 fingers. That's just one technique I use, okay? So that's the A sharp. The next chord will be F. So still the first fret, you need to bar, this time all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have the D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final chord is C. So 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And this is the chord progression for the entire song. So nothing changes there. So we have this melody first. It goes like this. In the same way. Okay. So you play on the E string on all these notes. So it's 2 times on the first fret. Then 3rd fret E string. And then finally open E. And then it goes round and round. So 1st, 1st, 3rd, open, 1st, 1st, 3rd, open, like this. Okay, and you could add, like I did here in the introduction of this tutorial, the bass notes for the chords. So it goes like the A sharp. You found that bass note on the 1st fret A string. Then you find the bass note for F on the 1st fret E string. And then the bass note for D minor is the open D. And for C is the 3rd fret A. So you add these notes while you're playing this. Okay, so on one round, on this round, you will add 2 bass notes. So on every second round, you have fulfilled the chord progression, you can say. So after the first note, there you're gonna add the first bass note. In this case, it's the A sharp note there. And then you continue with the 1st fret E. And then you play the 3rd fret E. And right after that one, you add the next extra note, the next note there. And that is in this case, the F. And then you play the open E. And then on the second round, you start again on the 1st fret E string. And then you add the next bass note, and that is the open D string for the D minor. And then you continue 1st fret E, 3rd fret E, and then comes the final note, the C, and then the open E. So slowly, it will be like this. Yep, so that is how it goes on there with this melody, if you choose to use that for your playing on this song. Otherwise, we have just 2 different strummings to go over, and that's it for this song. The first one is kind of the main strumming here. It's I can demonstrate that with an A sharp. So it's down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And actually, instead we will bring up the F instead, because that covers all strings. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is one strumming. So it sounds like this. Okay, so it's down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up, clap. Okay, that's the first part. Down, down, up, clap. And then you just continue with up, down, up. So up, down, up after the clap. So together, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And that is one strumming round. You do that one round for each chord, and that will sound like this. Starting from A sharp. A sharp, F, D minor, and C. Alright. Now this will go on here in this song till we come about half into the second verse, about 1 minute and 25 seconds into it. So yeah, that's where we are, and that's where we need to play this second strumming pattern. So this one is even much easier. So it's just about down, up, clap. And you will play down, up, clap, 2 times for each chord. So like this, and that is basically what you need for this song, and that covers Lauv 26. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, please let me know, thumb up, give me something back, and I will give you more in the future. See you soon, and don't forget, play tune.